Welcome to Feel the Power of Power BI. Today we are going to cover two very important DAX functions, summarize and filter. If you really want to take full advantages of all the Power BI capabilities and functionality and features, you must learn DAX. It is a very important language and it helps you a lot with your analysis of the data. Having said that, the way we are going to use summarize and filter functions of DAX is by creating a table within Power BI platform. Most of you know that my background is in database development, and anytime I'm developing reports and dashboards in Power BI, I'm always thinking about SQL statements running in the background. So let me show you a SQL statement that we are going to try to convert that into a table in Power BI. So here's a very simplified select statement. If you know SQL, basically what it does, it adds up or rolls up all the amounts sold to each customer ID from sales table where customer ID is less than 50, and it aggregates by customer IDs. So let me first show you the sales table within Power BI. This is what we have right here. We have customer IDs, and right here we have amounts sold. So basically each of these rows represents a transaction. So what I'm going to do right now is create a new table. And the way we do that is we go to the new table tab right here under modeling tab, a new table. We click there, and here's it gives us a place where we can type DAX code. I already copy and pasted DAX code, which is right here, and this is what it does. Requirement is to show sum of amounts sold by customers where customer ID is less than 50. Now it is very important that you use comments, and thereby the way you add comments in your DAX formulas is by 2 slashes / slashes. And so what it is this. If you look at it, sales table that I'm going to right here, customer ID is that's a select statement that I just showed you. Then this is a column alias that is gonna call this column, which is sum of sales amount. Then this is your filter, basically where clause, where customer ID is less than 50. So always put a nice meaningful name of your table. So what I do as a best practice, I start my object name that I'm creating within Power BI with PBI underscore. That tells me that source of this object is within Power BI desktop or Power BI platform. And I'm going to say sum of amounts sold cust ID is less than 50. So that's the name of the table I'm going to call it, and just click that. And now what I have is customer ID and total amounts sold, and all of those amounts that there could be 20 transactions by customer ID 2, and it rolls up that amount. And let's go to Power BI and let's create a report right here, which I created. And I'm going to say customer ID and total amount sold, and let's convert that to grid mode. And we do not want to summarize, so I can see all those transactions. So each customer ID each customer shows up only once, and all the amounts are rolled up to that amount. And this could very well be, I can clearly basically say any formula here, and I can say equals, and that will give me just one row of customer ID. There is no 50 in there, so there's nothing here, but the formula is right. And I can say greater than here, basically any function I can use here, mathematical function, which will give me the data right here. So basically, summarize and filter are very powerful functions within Power BI that will make your life easy. A lot of time you have to create tables within Power BI to do analysis. So hopefully you like the contents of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like the contents of this session. Thank you so much.